How to make the healthiest ice cream in the world with turmeric and coconut. This rich and fluffy ice cream is the perfect dairy-free way to dessert. Whipped coconut cream creates a thick base while aromatic turmeric and toasted coconut add a mellow and exotic flavor. Turmeric is an ancient herb that has been used for centuries in cooking. Although turmeric has a bitter flavor, it is quite versatile and creates an exotic background for sweet and savory dishes alike. In this ice cream recipe, turmeric and coconut combine for a creamy treat that is soothing on a warm day. I have experimented with many coconut creams and I can tell you firsthand that they are not all created equal. Some are thick and almost paste-like when chilled, while others are creamy and more liquidy. For this ice cream, you want to use a coconut milk that is on the thicker side. Set your can in the refrigerator overnight to allow the cream to thicken as much as possible. When you open your can of coconut cream, there should be a thick layer that is solid and white with just a little bit of liquid. It will take a little bit of elbow grease and patience to achieve an airy fluffiness to the coconut cream. Turmeric dairy-free ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cans coconut cream, 1/2 cup shredded unsweetened coconut, 2 teaspoons ground turmeric, 2 tablespoons pure honey, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Directions: 1. Toast shredded coconut in a pan over low heat until light golden brown, 2-3 minutes. Allow to cool. 2. Using a hand mixer on high speed, beat the coconut milk, turning the bowl and swirling the beaters into the coconut cream. Beat until fluffy. This may take 5-7 minutes. 3. Once the cream has fluffed up a bit, stir in the honey, sea salt, and turmeric. 4. Pour into a parchment paper-lined bread pan or ice cream pan. Sprinkle toasted coconut on top. Instead of adding the shredded coconut to the coconut cream, I opted to toast it up for a pretty topping for the ice cream. The toasted coconut enhances the flavor of the coconut in the ice cream and adds a little bit of texture and crunch. Cover with aluminum foil. Freeze for 6 hours or until just frozen through. Scoop and serve. Store covered in freezer. That's right, no ice cream machine necessary for this recipe. I find that 4-6 hours are just enough to freeze the ice cream while still remaining scoopable. If your ice cream does get too hard, simply let it thaw for 15 minutes at room temperature before scooping.